How to draft a rent agreement between landlord and a company. Welcome to Contract Easily, your reliable destination for simplified legal solutions for legal agreements drafting. Today, we're delving into the intricacies of drafting a rent agreement between a landlord and a company. Before we dive into the details, check the link in the description box to download the agreement format. We have various options to download it in Word format or PDF format, or make it with legal help from our team if you require, or you can also make it with the help of AI by answering the questions the chatbot asks. Now let's understand what a rental agreement is. It's an official contract between a tenant and a property owner, allowing the tenant temporary possession of the property in exchange for rent. In this case, the tenant is a private limited company registered under the Companies Act 1956 or 2013, represented by its director, who shall be the authorized signatory here. So mention these details very accurately. Terms like lessor refer to the landlord, lessee is the tenant, and demised premises is the rented property. According to laws in India, there are three common types of rental agreements. Rent agreement, typically for 11 months, covers essential details, and registration is optional. Lease agreement, more formal, for over 12 months, requires mandatory registration and grants certain rights to the tenant. Leave and license agreement, a permission to occupy, flexible duration, not transferable, and allows easier evictions. Now, let's explore the crucial contents of a rental agreement, as highlighted in our slide. Parties' details mainly include details about the landlord, tenant, and agents. Property description is the address of the property and is crucial as it has to be accurate to avoid future disputes. Rent details deals with amount of rent, due dates, late charges as and when applicable. Responsibilities, payment of additional amounts such as security, utilities, repairs, and maintenance. Facilities are also often included, such as usage entitlements and property rules. Moving on to executing a valid rental agreement, as per general industry practice. Getting your agreement under Registration Act, 1908, is mandatory if the duration is 12 months or more. Else normal printing on stamp paper is acceptable for agreements under 12 months, print on stamp paper, signed by both parties and witnesses. Documents for registration generally required are proof of ownership, property documents, photographs, address proof, and other specified documents. Some states offer e-stamping for rental agreements. If available in your state, parties can purchase e-stamp paper from the official website, print the agreement, and proceed with signatures for validity. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to drafting a rental agreement, enriched with insights from industry practice. Don't forget to check the link in the description box for the agreement format. For further details or queries, consult with a legal professional on Contract Easily. Stay informed and keep learning with Contract Easily. See you in the next video.